Hello everybody and welcome to America. Today I want to share with you a product that I purchased that I found through, I think it was a Facebook ad or something, and I'm trying to set up the shop, get it organized as best I can, and I thought this would help. So what I got here is, it's a product from Outlaw Chassis Fabrication. They sent this sticker with, so I think that's neat. This cost, oh, the price isn't on here. I think these things are $24 a piece. I will verify that and put a little caption on here if I'm wrong. So I ordered these from them. This holds 7 Prybars. So it's basically a notch with a hole underneath it, so you can stick these things out. It's like a John Wayne holster. They CNC cut this out, and then they must have a press brake or something and bend it up into that U shape. It's got their logo in here, which you may or may not can see. And then there is 4 holes to mount it to. You can put it on a wall, you can put it on the bench. I could have put it right here. I put it on this cart so I can roll it around. And then I also have another one that I bought that is basically the same thing, but the slots and the holes are a little smaller, and this is for screwdrivers. This holds 11 screwdrivers, or I mean, you can put nut drivers, maybe small Prybars if they. Small Prybars work too. So those are made by Outlaw Chassis Fabrication. I would assume that they got their start fabricating Outlaw chassis for Outlaw Racing, but or maybe they work for the Outlaws Motorcycle Gang. I do not know. That has not been verified by me or the NTSB. Also says, I didn't realize this before, but this is veteran-owned, USA made in America, always good. Right there. I'm probably going to cut this out and hang it on my wall or something. That's kind of neat. This is a box that it came in. These come from South Point, Ohio. So those jack stands that I got from another similar company, Queen City Fab, are from Mount something, Ohio. So there must just be a booming fabrication business out there. But anyways, I bought these. I've been using them for about 12 minutes so far. I just got them all mounted up. They seem pretty sturdy. Nothing wants to fall out when I shake them. So hopefully they'll help me stay organized, and maybe you could purchase them if you wanted to, and they'd help you too. So until next time, stay American and keep your shop clean.